Hey, in this video we are going to look at two things. First of all, we are going to look at how you can create custom subdomains for your account, and then we're going to look at how you can create customized links for your calculators. So this is our custom subdomain, and this is our calculator link. So first of all, let's head over to settings for your workspace, and then you'll go to admin settings. From here, you'll see your ActiveCalculator URL. You're going to change it to, so currently it's on a standard, it's the default URL subdomain that you had for your account. You can change it to whatever you like. It will run a quick check if this is available or not, and then we're going to hit save. Next, we're going to go to our calculator. So let's say I just want to go to this calculator and change the subdomain, change the URL for it. So this is showing this link. Let me just go through this link. So this is our current calculator link. I can customize it to whatever I want. Let's say balloon payment. Let me just hit save. Let me copy this link and let's go to this link. So just a note, your previous default link will also work. So you can see it's also working. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.